In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter in Asana 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to narrow a busy task list to just what matters and how to keep that view ready for next time. Start by opening the Asana project where your tasks live. This is the space you and your team are already working in. List, board, or timeline views all support the same filtering logic, so you don't need to switch layouts. Once the project is open, look toward the top right of your task list. You'll see the filter button, which looks like a small funnel. Click it to open your filter options. Now choose how you want to refine the view. If you filter by assignee, you can focus on tasks assigned to you, a teammate, or even unassigned work that needs attention. Due date filtering lets you concentrate on time-bound tasks, such as items due today, this week, or within a custom range, ideal for planning sprints or prepping for a review. Completion status helps you switch between everything, only incomplete work you still need to do, or completed task if you're auditing progress. If your project uses custom fields, like priority, status, or stage, use those to slice your list by the categories your team cares about most. Tags are helpful for thematic groupings, such as campaigns or clients, especially across multiple sections. Dependencies let you surface tasks that are waiting on something else, or that are blocking other work, which is perfect for unblocking your team. And if your plan includes milestones, filtering by milestones quickly highlights key checkpoints without the noise of regular tasks. Feel free to combine filters. For example, you can show only your incomplete tasks due this week with a high priority custom field. As you make selections, Asana updates the list instantly. There's nothing to save, and you'll see the results right away. If something looks off or too empty, simply adjust or remove a filter to broaden the view. When you land on a filtered setup you love, you can optionally preserve it for next time. Open the View menu and choose Save Layout as default. This tells Asana to load the project with the same filter configuration whenever you come back, so you don't have to rebuild it each session. That's it. Open your project, click the funnel icon, choose the filters that make sense, watch the results update immediately, and if it's a keeper, save the layout as your default. Use filters regularly to keep your focus sharp and your projects easy to navigate.